One tip I would give when you're using your Tideway hair dryer is to put on the little end that helps direct airflow, because when I tried to dry my hair without that on there, it really made my hair get super knotted up. Like, imagine being in a convertible with the top down and not having your hair in a ponytail, and your hair gets all twisted up and into those severe knots. That's kind of what it was doing to my hair without the hair nozzle on the end. But with it on there, I didn't have any of that problem at all, and it dried my hair really fast like I wanted it to. But just caution that, because it did really make knots in my hair without having that funnel on the end of it. But once I fixed that, I was good to go. It dried my hair really quickly. I love the way that it felt. I like the different heat settings that you can put it on depending on the color. Really good hair dryer, and I love the fact that it dries my hair so fast. Absolutely.